if you can copy just something like this and you can paste it and you can also proofread, I'm going to share with you how you can earn $100 a day. So make $100 a day just by proofreading, and it's just simply copy and paste scripts and templates, and you're going to get it done and you're going to make some money. Now, welcome everyone. This is your first time to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre. I'll talk about how to make money online in different ways, how to get more money into your pocket. So if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. Happy to have you here. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family, because if you like making money, now you just arrive at a great YouTube channel. Now, I have tons of different options for you to choose from. So if this video is not something that you're looking for, I highly recommend you check out some more, and you can get started as soon as you finish watching this video. So I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day proofreading, just copying and pasting. So become a part of the family, and if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how I make money, check out the first link in the description. So let's jump right into the video. So as I mentioned before, it's all about copy and paste and proofreading. Now, I went over to this website. It's called People Per Hour. Now, some of you probably heard about it, but some of you don't. And the ones that heard about it, I'm not just going to tell you to just go sign up and then, wait for somebody to come and find you and all that type of stuff. It's more a fact of the method I'm going to share with you is a copy and paste method. You can start making money. As soon as you finish watching this video, you can get it set up and you can start, get to work. Now, as you can see here, there's a lot of different options for you to choose from. So People Per Hour, on here they have a lot of different things, different projects. You can just sign up. It's absolutely free. Just click on here where it says sign up. They have, I want to be a freelancer, or I want to work as a freelancer. Now there's two different options. You want to hire a freelancer, or you want to work as a freelancer. Now you don't want to hire one. You want to work as a freelancer. So you can click on this. Once you click on this, you can sign up with your Facebook, or if you want to sign up with your email. If you want to sign up with your email, you put your first name, right? Put your first name, put your last name. You can put your email address in, create a password. And once you created a password, then what you can do right away, you can head on over and you can start posting projects. Now, if you search on here and you could see search projects, search on projects, you'll find a ton of different projects that people are willing to pay people for and make money. For example, this right here is a fixed price for a $193, $404, $674, $88. So there's people who are killing it. And the reason why I chose People Per Hour is because there's not a lot of competition, because there's so many people out there already. You probably know them. They go on Fiverr, they go on Upwork and all that stuff. But here is just calm, quiet. You can make good money over here, but you don't have a ton of competition. As you can see, there's people posting 10 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago. So there's constant work. There's always things that people are looking for. And the biggest thing that people do look for is proofreading. Now, proofreading is a good thing. If you're a proofreader, you know how it is. There are some fixed rate as well. Right down here, it's $28 per hour, $10 per hour. Now, I'm going to share with you a tool that you can use, and you can crush this and you can make a ton of money, because you don't have to sit around and you don't have to wait for, to do proofreading and do it. Because there's some people that are doing proofreading stuff, right? But they're not making the money that they're supposed to make because of this one particular tool. I'm going to show you that this tool is the tool that everybody wants, and everybody wants to get rolling with this. So I'm going to type in proofreader right here, proofreading, and you're going to see the different projects. Like this guy right here is charging like 47. There's 20, there's 16, there's $34 an hour, and you could do 3 hours and you can get started. Now, the tool that I said I was going to share with you is this tool. And you want to head on over to this particular website. And the website is called gingersoftware.com/proofreading. Once again, so it's gingersoftware.com/proofreading. Make sure you write that down, take a note. And this is a great tool. All you have to do, just grab this article right here. You could just copy it, bring it back over here, and you can paste it. Alright. You can paste it in there. I think I have too many. So I can click on this. So you could do it by paragraph by paragraph. And once you do it paragraph by paragraph, what it's going to do, it's going to find if there's any grammar error, if there's misspelled and all that stuff. So you could use this software and you can double your work. So you could just set it up, and once you set it up, you're going to be having so much different work because you could do what we call drop servicing, where I know there's a lot of competition on those other websites such as Fiverr and also Upwork, but you can go over there right now. You could go there, you can find, it's still populating. I think I did too much. So let me just refresh right away. So let's say I put John is single. So I spelled John. So it's going to populate for a little bit, and it's going to find what is correct and what is not. So it's kind of one of those things. If you see like the red writing, you have to correct an error. And if you see blue and everything, that means it's good. Not sure why it's loading, but you get the idea of where I'm going at, right? Is you're going to come on over here. There's a lot of proofreading. People are proofreading, and you can make money just by coming over here. Because look at this. This guy right here, he's a proofreader. He's in the UK, $16 an hour. This person right here is in London, Great Britain, 34. Right? Great Britain. There's a lot of people from Great Britain. There's people from the US. There's, so you can use this tool to get rolling, and it's going to help you get the job done. Not sure why it's still loading, but you can go to gingersoftware.com. You can go to gingersoftware.com/proofreading. They have a few different tools that you can go in. There's text reader, right? There's sentence rephraser. There's personal trainer. So there's a whole different thing on here that you can use. So it's a free software. You can use it. If you want to pay for the service, you can if you want. And then you can just make the money, you could just switch it out. So I hope this video helped. I know I'm making this at like late at night right now for you because I want you to go out there and you could crush it. So remember to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let me know in the comments if this is your first time. I'll catch you on the next video. And the name is Andre, and don't forget my #1 recommendation. Peace.